Is this the one? I don't know, maybe. So in this case, we got A is 3, B is 6, C is negative 13. Go ahead and put it in here. A, B is 6, A is 3, and C is negative 13. Okay, so we have the opposite of 6, negative 6, plus or minus. 6 squared is 36. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 times negative 13. 12 times 13 is 156. Remember, it changes to plus because you had a negative times negative. Denominator, 2 times 3 is 6. So negative 6 plus or minus square root of, let's see, 36 plus 156 is 192 over 6. Now, 192 does have some perfect squares in it. So let's see, 192 divided by 4 is 48, and I know 4 still goes in there. So let's try 192 divided by 16. Ooh, 12. There's still one in there. Okay. 192 divided by 36. No, that doesn't work. 192 divided by 64. There we go. 64 and 3. So we can break this up with perfect squares. Right? And the square root of 64 is 8. So it becomes negative 6 plus or minus 8 root 3 over 6. Now, that's pretty darn close to a perfect answer. However, if you look at all of the regular numbers, don't worry about the root. You have 6, 8, and 6. They're all divisible by 2. So what you can do is you can divide all those numbers by 2. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. We have the plus or minus. 8 root 3 divided by 2 is 4 root 3. And then 6 on the bottom, 6 divided by 2 is 3. That is one perfect way that you can do it. Another way, what is easier to me, is if you separate them as fractions. So we'd have like negative 6 over 6 plus or minus 8 root 3 over 6. Because these will actually simplify differently. Negative 6 over 6 is negative 1. And then 8 over 6, they're both divisible by 2. So you could have 4 thirds there. So it'd be negative 1 plus or minus 4 root 3 over 3. To me, this is the cooler answer. Ah, man, I got all jumbled up. But I like this answer better because if you look, they're both fine. We have the 4 root 3 over 3, but if you look, we have the negative 3 over 3. To me, that can still be simplified. And especially when we get to complex numbers, you're going to want them listed separately because that is standard form for imaginary numbers. So I like this one better, the green one. So I would ask you to get in that habit now, but I'll certainly take what is in the red here too. Okay? So let's try one out. The next one's gonna have the imaginary number system, the complex numbers.